In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and embed a Paperform form in WordPress. If you want to add a Paperform to your WordPress site quickly and cleanly, this process is very straightforward. We'll be working inside your WordPress admin area, then grabbing the correct link from your Paperform dashboard, and finally placing the form into a post or page using the block editor. To begin, log into your WordPress admin dashboard and install the official Paperform plugin. You can do this from the plugins area in WordPress, where you search for the Paperform plugin, install it, and then activate it. Activating the official plugin is important because it gives WordPress the ability to recognize and properly display your Paperform content inside your site. If you skip activation, the form may not render correctly when you add it later. Once the plugin is active, go to your Paperform editor dashboard and copy your short link. This short link is the key reference for the form you want to display on your WordPress page. Make sure you copy the correct one for the exact form you intend to embed. If you manage multiple forms, it's worth taking a second here to confirm you've selected the right form before moving on. Next, return to WordPress and open the post or page where you want the form to appear. Edit that content using the block editor interface. This is the standard WordPress editing experience, and it allows you to place different types of content exactly where you want them in your layout. Think about where the form will make the most sense for visitors, such as below an introduction, inside a contact section, or near a call to action. Now add a Paperform block to the page if that option is available in your editor. This is usually the easiest method because it is designed specifically for embedding Paperform content in WordPress. If you prefer, or if the shortcode method is what you need, you can paste the shortcode directly into the page layout using this format: open bracket, Paperform, space, ID equals quotation mark, your form slug, quotation mark, close bracket. Replace the placeholder with your actual form slug from Paperform. After that, save or update the page and preview it to make sure everything displays properly. If the form doesn't appear as expected, double check that the plugin is activated and that the correct short link or form slug was used. Once it looks good, your Paperform is live on your WordPress site.